guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this cheap $40 wig unit that I got offline. It was super simple to do, and this is my first time ever doing a wig unit, so I want you guys to look at what I did. This is my first time ever doing a wig unit. So this lace front was pretty cute. It is only $40, so if you want to get it, I'll have everything down below. I'll show you guys the process that I did in this video of installing this wig unit. And yes, it's very cute. Body wave. It's pretty long. It's about 20 inches or 22, something like that. Yeah, it's really cute for something very simple. So if you guys want to see how I did this, continue watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. So let's get into this video. So here is how the wig unit came out. I'm not sure exactly how long it is, but this is what it's looking like inside. So it has 4 clips in total. There's 2 on the sides, 1 in the front and 1 in the back as well. And it has the lace only around the front edge. So this is what it's looking like inside of this lace unit. First time ever doing a wig unit, so I legit was struggling at this part, but it's okay because we made it work. We made it work a little bit. So if you ever watched the movie White Chicks, you will get this part right here. This is my struggle face. You'll see it a lot during this video, so don't worry. I'm okay though. Cutting lace is so hard. Who would have known? I never knew it was this hard, but I kind of made it work, so don't judge me. So the glue that I used didn't work, so you'll see some parts of the wig unit sticking up on the sides, but it's okay, we just went with the flow for the video, but I will make sure to get a better glue next time. Just to warn you, since it is synthetic hair, the ends do get tangled really fast. That's the only downfall, but other than that, it's a great wig unit. final look with this wig unit that was only $40. I will link everything in the description box below. I mean, for synthetic, don't mind that. For synthetic, you cannot beat it. You have to watch out for the ends because it gets a little tangled. But what you do is brush it from the root, from the ends to the root, and you're good. It's a nice body wave. You cannot beat this. So it's very easy to install, as you guys see. This is my first time ever doing a lace front. So this is my first time installing a lace front wig unit. So I don't think it was that bad. Obviously I need some work, but this hair right here, you cannot beat. If it's for like, you know, take pictures, a little outing, nothing for a long term because it's synthetic hair. But for the job that you need to get done for a day or two, whatever, this will do the job. So the hair is very nice and soft. I believe this is, sorry, I don't know how long this is, but this is the packaging right here that it came in. And I got it in the color 1B. So, yes, if you guys are looking to slay with a cheap wig, yes, girl, right here, you better try it out. Yeah, it's really, really cute. Really very affordable. $40. I think it was a little less than $40, and you cannot beat that. $40, girl. Get you a nice little synthetic wig and be sliding on the streets. Not just kidding, but yeah. So if you guys are interested, just look down below in the description box and get you one, girl, because it was only $40, and it came in like 2 to 3 days. So yes, I'm so happy with the results. This is gonna be my little go-to wig when I'm trying to go take a little picture, you know, something real cute and simple. Nothing long-term, like I said, it's synthetic, so you gotta watch out. But yeah, other than that, this is a cute little wig that I got off of, I don't even know the website, So Good BB something. I'll put it down below. So yes, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys think about this look. And if you guys try it, link it down below as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.